Kif aħna kulħadd tajjeb? Nifneqilkom ftit ma tarawni. Nirranġa ftit is-setup mhux. Illum għandna din Dollmare logħba ġdida li nara nies jilagħbuha naqbad biċċiet l-hawn u lem. Aw last played illum hawn fuq mhux irranġajt naqas settings qabel. Fil-fatt ta' 1 minute. Ħanipprova tu sekonda ta'. Nipprova nirranġa setting biex ikun jidher il-mouse imma xi kultant insibu xi kultant ma nsibux. U jew għalna naqra ma nkun live x'kelli naqra problema. Għandna xi 15 u kien wasal iż-żmien li nagħmlu live oħra għas-sax kien ilu ftit. Waħna stilla kollha sew. Franz u Mary, tanti, Francesco, Spader, Robert, Laura, Smi, ma nafx x'inhu dak, Fexe. Ejju, rajt, kollha sew. Ejja, thank you l-membat ukoll, mhux rajt, kollu sew imma. U grazzi ħafna wkoll min jidħol fil-lives. Grazzi wkoll min jara l-videos fuq YouTube, speċjalment min qed jagħmel subscribe. Apprezza ħafna s-support dak is-subscribe ifisser ħafna għax mhux faċli llum tagħmel streams bil-Malti meta l-Malti sfortunatament ma tantx huwa apprezzat. Nippruvaw l-aħjar, nippruvaw daqsxejn l-aħjar kemm jista' jkun. Naqbdu nidħlu fiha kif taqdu naqra niesaw. Ejju nsibu xogħol ġdid. Eċċu li sekonda ħanimlu ħaġa qabel moħħilna kollha jaqgħu. Nara l-store page, naqraw daqsxejn x'inhi d-description tal-logħba. You've accepted a shady job offer at a doll factory. Inspect dolls for defects and anomalies. Follow strange protocols, don't get fired and stay alive. Tajjeb, mill-ritratti li hawnhekk ġa qed turi li ħadd tkun interessanti ħafna. Nidħlu fiha. Nathan Dagwara. All right. New game. Adjust your bridge, you just barely see the dolls scattered around. X'għandu nagħmlu hekk ġifieri. In this game, every playthrough is slightly different. Many events in the game are not scripted, meaning that what you encounter is unique only for you. You will not be chased by a monster, nothing will scream or jump into your face. Tajja, mhux ħajkonna jump scares. But it is still a horror game. Be prepared of being scared. Are you ready to start working? Ifhem. Qatt ma ħdimt ġo post fejn nibża ma dejjem hemm l-ewwel darba. With rental bills piling up, I took a part-time job at an old toy factory. People whisper about his shady reputation, but I don't care, I just need the money. Today is my first day. I never could have imagined what's waiting for me inside. Hold space to continue. Okay.
New guy, you're finally here. Welcome to the Sweet Cheeks factory. Press the green button to enter. No time to waste. The work is already waiting. But first, go to the locker room and put on your uniform.
Mintomx ħataraw l-objective, għax l-objective qiegħed fil-rokna fuq, u mill-kamera fin-nofs, għamijien. Ma nistgħux niġru fiha din il-logħba, sinjal tajjeb.
All right, now hurry up and go to the workshop.
It's my first day on the job. Must not screw it up. I can't lose this one as well. Hopefully I will meet some new colleagues. Kemm huwa importanti? Kemm hu importanti għalikom li tagħmlu ħbieb fuq il-post tax-xogħol? Hawn min imur għax-xogħol ġast tiġi hekk jiġi jitmellaħ l-aqwa li jitħallas. Go to the workshop. Dan il-workshop le. Quality control. Pick up a doll from the left conveyor. Inspect it carefully. If the doll passes the check, put it on the approval conveyor. If there is something wrong with the doll, throw it in the disposal chute immediately. Okay. Okay.
Welcome to your workplace. Get used to seeing it a lot. Your job is to check the quality of all the dolls.
Le معلم.
A doll passes the check. Put it on the conveyor on the right. A doll is broken or is missing something. Throw it in the trash. You can find the detailed instructions on the nearby table. Now get to work. Press the green button to start your shift. I hope you don't fail as miserably as the previous guy.
Task. Perform quality checks of the dolls. Okay. Ġudu l-ispezzjonaw il-pupi. Mbagħad nqegħdu huma jekk tajbin. Sewwa. Le ma tistax iżidhom fuq is-CV da x-xogħol. Qed għandhom idejn nieqsa, ġifieri nitfgħu hawnhekk u x'hekk. Aħna tajbin.
The clothes of this doll are damaged. How did you miss such an obvious thing? Oh, I almost forgot to tell you one more thing. Here at the factory, we have some special protocols that must be followed carefully. One of these protocols is to keep all doors closed at all times.
Okay.
So go and close those goddamn doors you have left widely open.
Okay.
Good. Keeping the doors closed is essential for your survival. I mean, for your work. Never mind. You can now proceed with your previous task.
Namlu ruħ ma smajna xejn. For your survival. Għana, xankun għet nispezzjonaw l-Annabel, di doll. Tajba, di doll. Speaking of Annabel the doll, għana tajjeb għal-ġodda zbizgur. Lixini di pupa? No jump scares, oh. Xaħat musta jżomm il-kelma. Xirridu nfittxu eżatt defetti like idejn qsin, saħwieċ imqattajn, u xi defetti oħrajn li rridu noqogħdu attenti għalihom. X'qed nisma'. Jiġu maqtaj. Tala. Okay.
Pay attention. This doll is missing some fingers.
Malfej. Nafx iżajba li der. Hello. Nista' ngħinek? Fejnu dak, nista' nirreżenja għax ġa ddejjaqt, ġa xbajt. Għajnej nieqsa. Idejn nieqsa. Għax mhux tagħmel. Ġarmeni għal-ewwel. Malek xbin. Suħba tajbin, ħwejjeġ tajbin, xar tajjeb, mhux tajba dejjem. Fajnejja. Jiġifieri bażikament ix-xogħol tagħna huwa dan. Nissortjaw il-pupi, naħseb quite easy.
What the hell? The generator is shut down.
Kombinazzjoni.
Follow the emergency lights downstairs and turn the damn thing back on.
Kombinazzjoni nqata' d-dawl. Għanna pupa wkoll. Okay. Ngħidu li hu żejt. Nisma' l-passi warajja u lil warhom.
Finally, what took you so long?
Wkoll.
Whatever, your job is done for today. Go home and rest now. Don't think too hard about what happened.
Baqa' xejn. Huwa l-ġurnata naħseb morna tajjeb jien. Żewġ żbalji biss, xejn kbir. Minna $200.
Fine, it's adequate. But don't think I'm impressed. There's always room for improvement.
Nisa mxu l-affarijiet hawn. I just finished my first day at the factory. There's something strange about this place. Though I can't quite put my finger on it. At least I got paid. I keep telling myself tomorrow will be better, but deep down I'm not so sure anymore. Kikut ma tmurx lura le.
Hurry up, new guy. You have a lot of work today.
Ma l-ewwel jilqana d-direttura ra. Bil-kafe u l-bonġu.
Go to the utility room on your way to the workshop and grab a bucket. The ceiling in the workshop is leaking a bit.
Actor responsible will have sorted them wrong of the slightest difference to point on maybe. Xed jaħabib.
I have improved the dolls. Now they have a voice function. So now you have to check if it works as intended. Check the rules for detail.
Tilt the doll, then bring it back to an upright position to activate the voice function. Make sure the doll does not say anything inappropriate. Alright, għana bieċa xogħol oħra issa. Ma naraw li m'għandha xejn. Okay. Taħseb nbija għadi. Forsi xaħat tekun rtixi għalla dawwa tijaw.
Pay attention. This doll is missing some fingers.
Unna ċansa nirranġa daqxejn is-sensitivity tal-mouse għax. Kaħjar naħseb. Dejjem is-swaba.
Oh, I forgot to mention. From time to time, we get custom requests for special types of dolls. You will find all related instructions and the order itself on the right table. Every completed order significantly increases your paycheck, so don't mess it up.
A couple adopting a child from overseas requests a doll that reflects the child's cultural heritage. They hope it will help the child feel okay. Dolls amount wonders than sleepwear. ċandu xaqsam il-cultural heritage. Niffer ħajġibuha, nisħab. Sleepwear, this is dar tajba. Custom order. Niffer l-murubja. Order slip is not attached. Dik il-karta. ċans bieġibkom daċxu. Għalfejn mhux taħdem di. Nsejt xi ħaġa. Ma nistax naqra dak li rajt miktub. So all right. Sajder quite straightforward dan ix-xogħol. X'offa xaranda di.
Can you count to 5? This doll has more fingers than needed.
Ma għax narabu mal-bibjen għawe. Għax il-telfuni minn xogħli. X'ma jħallasniex li muallim. Mhux overtime. Green eyes, say I love you. Waħda, okay. Daw li ħalqa meħjut. Green eyes. La, ma ħotajx il-frażi mixtieqa.
Are you blind or just incompetent? The doll is displaying facial movement, which is completely unacceptable. What's wrong again?
Enough.
The conveyor seems to be stuck. Go to the assembly room further down the corridor and fix it.
Xtaqli t-tamela ta' electrician mal-generator. Sarġet nitċekkja fej għal dak assembly room. X'għandna Bruno raġwi. Ejwa ġdida, il-ġimgħa l-oħra ħarġet. Dollmare jiżma. Isma' ħsejjes, naħseb xi waħed minnhom żgur ħajt. Waħed minnhom żgur ħajtlaq jimxi. Jew jaħrab. Hemm minnhom kollu xbin. Ejja ħanaraw, ejja. Okay, mela. nara fejnu. Jiċċaqlaq. Tajt jaqbes fuq l-iskrin jekk nersu Viċenti jew. X'inti tilab? Sally. Dollmare. Sally jisimha din. Ħarġet naħseb il-ġimgħa l-oħra. Quite recent. Hawnhekk għandna l-problema. Staw. X'tagħmel għax jien nitwerwe. Jkun jien naħraqhom. Bażikament l-objettiv ġed il-logħba taħdem ġo fabbrika tal-pupi. U toqgħod tqassamhom u dawk li jkollhom id-difetti tarmihom. Sa nsertajna kellna niġu qegħdin bidlet il-kamra issa. Kellna naqra. Ħsara teknika naħseb. Ma kollu sew. Suppost rajt issa. Għalfejn ġew ġewwek il-klim. Ma mhux horror game. Le horror game suppost. Tara. Ta' xi like 4 euros naħseb. Bas naf kemm kienet xi ħaġek. Għandna custom order ukoll x'nimlew. Green eyes, issa nużajna dik. X'jien nisma' wara. Sib fuq l-Steam Store. Ok, għanna xejn jgħata. Mrs. Wablu. Mrs. Wablu. Looks good. Waħdu l-barmil. Waħdu l-barmil.
This is what you let through? How blind can you be?
Anta faddaw. Dal-pupu ħelu waraħ. Tkellem da? Le. Ġon dasbin. ċaw ġbin. Mqatta. Armi. سوي ذا اليوم.
All right, that's all for today. You can bring the bucket back to the utility room on your way.
Okay, dik l-order mux nix namlu għallu. Don't come tomorrow. Da tiġix. Ma nistax, xad il-kontiċ nħallas. Xorta ħajkolli niġi kontra qalbi. No. Lefem kukaj memx għalfej jikbu li mal-ħajt.
I didn't expect much from you, but this, you're testing my patience.
Xenga cactus. I've made it through another shift. The dolls seem different today. Their eyes, I swear they followed me as I moved across the factory. I keep telling myself it's all in my head, but in this place, it's getting to me. I can feel it. Taħdem ġo fabbrika li taghmel il-pupi bħal dawn. Ġajri ikollok kuraġġ qawwi. Nax kien, ma laqanix bil-messaġġ sabiħ. New employee. I've got some business to handle elsewhere, so I won't be around the factory today. There's a new task for you. We've got a bunch of dolls that have missing eyes, hands, legs, or heads. Throwing those into the trash from now on is prohibited. You'll find all the info you need in the repair room behind you. Don't mess up the director. Tajjeb, ma l-lum mannix. Għanna cactus. Għadu għed. Għanna dil-kamra, u koll jessa. Mhix kripi lanqas xejn. This is the repair room. If a doll is missing body parts, place it onto the holding stand and attach the missing limbs. If the doll is missing hair, there's a special tool behind the holding stand. Use it to create new hair. Do not put your head inside it. Start a hair dryer. Someone tried it once and it didn't end well. Get back to work. Għamma nibdaw il-ġurnata. Għadna l-ewwel waħda bla għajn. Għandhom irrid nirranġawha. Għal doktor. Bro, go follow FB edits on TikTok. Sparixxa b'mod misterjuż. Laqa xejn mustramp. Għajnejn nieqsa. Għajnejh kannella. Mullix hekk, ġod il-kamra. Tabtab l-dawl. Ok, grazie. Sew, suħaba, ħamsa. Saħħaġat. Għu nistax jitkellem da. Xar. Hey. Lesta. Sorry. I've received a report about an unusual doll with claims that it moves on its own when unobserved. If encountered, must be packed and sent via the fulfillment room immediately with disorders to be attached. Moves when unobserved, weather appearance single yellow eye. Alright, if jek narawa, nżommu daqxej daqqa tajta. X'taħseb id-daħdem naħdem ma' komplika kif tiftħu fabbrika tal-pupi u ta' xi ħaġa oħra. Daħluni, naħdem impjegat jew le? Le? Daħluni, naħdem impjegat jew le? Le? Xi ta' problem bil-connection hemmu għal xi raġuni. Okay. Isma' le. Ben feqjat biex narmi. Affarijiet li jiġru tal-fabbrika, inkredibbli, So. Raġaġija. Sibnija. Tkellem? Single yellow eye. Tiċċallax minnu. Uħna l-order label maħħa u nibatuha għal-isfel. Għada u sakruna ġew ukoll. Unbelievable, l-affarijiet li jiġru ġod il-fabbrika. If you're reading this, you've been trapped. The fulfillment room door is shut and you can't get out. Don't panic, there's a way out. Or squeeze into the lift shaft and press the dispatch button. It took me to another place from where I found the way back to the workplace. I'm leaving this note in the shaft in case you get stuck too. I hope you manage to escape and get out of going on if I haven't already. Saġejna ġenan il-post tara, tant sabiħ. Ara xi ġimelaw. Find the way out. Ciao. Għaw fejret immura. Ok, mux mena. Għaw xaħat jista' jgħin. If you're reading this, you're still alive, hopefully, but you might be trapped. The doors here lead nowhere and the stairs bring you back to where you started. There's no exit. Follow the blinking light if you want to get out. Just don't let them catch you. The worker before you. Xaħat minnkom kitab t-segwi l-bozza t-tebteb. Issa. Segwi d-daw li tebteb. Issa mux nara daw li tebteb. Hop. Mekkara, nizlin l-infern. Fuq. This place is bigger than I thought. Why was it built this way? Why there's so many boxes? Why can't I find an exit? Fuq, that's no fuq. Alright. Ximkien. Nistaw ma naqgħux għall-isfel. Footsteps, I hear them all the time. Sometimes I see the shadows in the hallway, but I'm the only one here, except the director and the dolls. Interessanti. Ħafna interessanti. Ara ma taqax xi kaxxa fuqi. Għax bissik noħroġ. il-kaxxa waqajna aħna. Il-backrooms tal-kaxxi. Verek ejsu. Għala. Sakri. Quasi. Ġabx tamlu li jekka. Għalluna ħanaħdem bil-kwit. Xol li t-sigr. شيء زياده يعني قاسي مكسر لا pupa ta' dering. Nisimgħu dik Samara. Anġi wara. Ġib naqra kalma u paċi ġa din il-logħba. Ma sieqx l-lemenija nieqsa. Right leg. Tisma' d-daħ. Ciao. Sweet cheeks. Sorry, camera. La ras. Isma' xbejn, tiddejjaqni ta' waqt insibek kollhom kien. Għax ħajtlali. Nista nibluha jew għar-rimedi. Di għar-rimi, kif inhi? Jew nista nibdel l-għajn għar-rimi. Għar-rimi. Nixċan sal-lob. Nixċan sal-lob. Where is my ball? Għabija għijat. Għasek? Għasek. لا مش تايمة ارمي يتشغل قدامي يعني نحسب مش تايمة يلا الشعر دي اس صوابة خمسة وخمسة وخمسة.
This is an automatic message from the director. If you're listening to this, it means you've done your job for today and can go home now.
Semma fejta
Thank you for your
darbti.
service.
Ciao. Sallu ma kien mhux żbalji, kollu tajjeb u mill-dew.
You have managed to do your basic responsibilities on your workplace while I was absent. Good. Keep it up.
Nixxu naqra affarijiet għal xu table fe. Nixxu motivator. Puzzle toy u mal-kafe. The room with the boxes, I still can't shake it. There were so many stacked, but none of them seemed ready to ship. They just sat there as if they were meant to stay. I should have run the moment I got out. Every part of me was screaming to leave this place for good. But here I am back again, like something's pulling me in. Why do I keep coming back? Probably għal-flus. Day 4.
Again, aren't you? Now get to work. You're already behind.
Fem sibta traffic. U ħelf tal-barrani. Kien hemm daqsxejn ħabta. U wasal tartu, skużani. Mhux hekk trid tgħidlu. Trid illokkedu. Kemm inħasset wara l-kuratur illum. The doll looked like me, my face, my features, everything. I threw it into disposal. The director didn't comment on it. Taxħalna makkinarju
A
ġdid.
new defect has been discovered. Some of the dolls contain foreign objects. I've installed a special X-ray machine for you to detect these. It's not clear which dolls are defective, so you better check them all.
Waslilna l-merch. Success comes to those who don't ask for a break. Fakkarni. Feks imallem. I will contact you today. The director must not notice anything. Don't be scared. Okay, saqt nibżaw. Place a doll inside the X-ray machine. Press one of the green buttons to make a shot. Use the same buttons to rotate the doll. Make sure there are no foreign objects inside the doll. Okay. Alright. Ftemna. Ma nista' parti difetti fiżiċi u l-leħen. Naraw hekk għandi xi ħaġa ġewwa bl-X-ray machine. Tajjeb. Xaħat minnkom jew kien jaf il-xaħat kellu kamra kollha pupi meta kien iżgħar. M'għandu xejn. Il-kuġina tiegħi kellha kamra kollha pupi. Dak hemm ħelu tal-Halloween. Għaxu daħbas. Snin ta' Dracula ġewwa. Swaba ħwejjeġ tajbin. Naraw li m'għandek xejn ġewwa li m'għandekx. Le.
Can you count to 5? This doll has more fingers than needed.
U kif taf x'għandha minn hemm fuq. Aħjar tiġi hawn se titaqqatit. Aw is-swab għandi tendenza l-messjum. Tafx ta' 5. Ħafna iktar minnek. Għandek waqt sabiħ għalik? Għara fej. Oppala. Inti. Swobon kisri. Armi. Oħra. Ġinġrija. L-anġlu.
This is what you let through? How blind can you be?
X'kella? Wrong body parts. Manajċ. U għami jent, baħnan. Issa ma narbux mal-bibin. Tajba dejjem. Forsi ma naqrawx iktar insulti. Għala kemm waħelu. Bidar żgħir. Mhux fejn oħrajn bidar żgħir dan. Su rasi żgħira. Armi. Ħanisma' minnkom u narmi. Good one.
That was very nice.
Sittawna bl-affarijiet ukoll. Armi. Wiex tajbin. Ok, għanna id-dajn jizaw, naraw li. Naraw li għanda xej. Dak narmu. Ok. Something's changing in me. I don't feel right. My reflection in the mirror doesn't look like me anymore. The director knows he's doing this. Fem. Right hand. Right hand. Gostos, da. Ok. Allora, stiamo bene. Ciao. Guarda, mi scrivi.
Hey, it's me, Kay. Look, I know you're shocked, but there's not time for that. Pick me up, please. Now go and hide us somewhere while the director is not looking.
It's a loja.
Locker room should be safe.
Okay.
Close the door. Now listen closely. I wasn't always like this. I came here for a job, just like you. Day by day, I started noticing things. Strange things. Before I knew it, I wasn't me anymore. It was him who did this to me, the director. And it's going to happen to you too, if you don't stop it.
What the hell? Why is the workplace empty? Get back immediately!
Ġejt għat-toilet.
Back already? I don't have much time left, and neither do you. Look, there is still a chance for you, but you will have to trust me. I will reach out to you in a few days. Be ready.
I said get back to your workplace. I'll write it off your paycheck.
Għax ħajket ċibu.
Shop and approve me, as if nothing happened. And I know what you're thinking, but there is no point in trying not to come back to the factory. It already has its grip on you. Things would only get worse. Your only chance is solving the problem here at its core.
What the hell was that? Where were you?
Għat
Do
għat-toilet.
you think the dolls are going to sort themselves? Come on, get moving.
Għaw, xiblow bdejt nitħaq xaħat kiteb. Bro, huwa il-pupa ta' Two-Face. Must have purpleized overcloths, should say that was very nice. Purpleize overalls. Overalls xinu ma daw.
I love you.
Tum ġorta mux tajjeb jieku da. Għadba. Mux tajba. Overalls.
That was very nice.
Sabli tajba. Overall clothes, this was very nice. Femni għal-pupa. Għaw isma ħej, jek tattajt ħaġa jgħidi li fuċċik. Mux ħafna tfess fejs. Ġibu l-karta tal-order. Ma tistax tiġri huwa tajjeb. Ma meta tkun tista' tiġri huwa tajjeb ukoll. Importanti li nagħlqu dal-bib. Angelo, il-fairy godmother ta' Shrek, ejso. Okay, mhux suwa għal kisrin, jontaj ejwa ta' saqaj.
I love you.
Okay. tal-pumpkin. Mhux kienet? Swab, all right, package all right. Naraw li mhux xejn li m'għandux ikun hemm ġewwa. Qed jitħaq. Enter ġajt. Tajjeb. Qalbu maħjut. Army.
Okay, you're done for today. You're allowed to go home now.
You're allowed to go home. Għandi permess imur id-dar. Tawni il-permess imur id-dar. Le, ma l-għalxiex. Mux biex nara l-pupi. Għadda xifti uħor.
It's acceptable, but don't get comfortable. I've seen better from amateur.
I saw him today, or what's left of him. The worker before me, the one who disappeared. He's still here, but he's a doll now. He spoke to me, said the director did this to him. That everything is a lie, and I'm next. I should have left while I had the chance, but it's too late now. It all started in the factory and it can only end here. Day 5.
Another day, another chance to prove you're barely competent. Get moving.
Motivational Monday. Għaxin tal-kultura nħossu jitwal kull darba li niġijaw. Assumi għaw l-istess magni tal-biraħ għaw xanna magnu oħra.
Listen up, we've got a new problem on our hands.
Wi.
Some of the dolls have a big defect, but you can only see it under a UV lamp. There's a UV booth ready for you. Get in there and make sure every doll is checked.
We have a problem, mhux hekk? Kollox organizzat. Right on the markings. Ek, jitru fil-UV. Xej? Zeba. Dollmare għandna kax-xogħla. Pumpkin.
I love you.
Blue eyes, that was very nice. Yeah, naraw.
I love you.
Xorta jnija griżi.
I love you.
Blue eyes, uħra.
That was very nice.
Mux tajba. Iż-żeba mux tajba.
I love you.
Xejn qed jgħid? That was very nice, imma mux tajba. Bad nieħda x-xogħol is-saħħa.
I love you.
Suħa tajbin, kollox tajbin. Okay, night. Wine, nieqsa. Meta toqgħod tfesfesek ġew id-nejjed biż-żgħanif. Tilabli mad-dawl. Nej griżi. Rajna li ma fiha xejn.
That was very nice.
Seba tajba. Ejba. Sa titlaq mela. Ciao.
That was very nice.
Fiex jumpscares imma xorti għasdu. Għada. Imma ħelu.
That was very nice.
Isu 3 kwarti ta' s-subilli kienu jitalaw għaċi għal 2010, għalla bxaħra mek.
That was very nice. That was very nice.
Hasta la vista. Mela mhux jien ħallejtu miftuħ.
That was very nice.
Mexi? Għana.
Let's play a game.
X'inhu ma daw
Time to find us.
il-Powerpuff Girls?
Let's go.
Hide we have to find us. Anka le, grazzi. Find all the dolls. Nistgħu ma nfittixhomx. The air feels thicker, heavier, like it's pressing down on me. So I have an reflection for a second and didn't recognize my own face. Was it ever mine? Mela don't fitxu l-Powerpuff Girls. Ġifieri essenzjalment aħna niġu Mojo Jojo. Nope, sorry. Waħda nista. Waħda sibnija. I'm becoming one of them. I can't stop it. I don't have much time left. If you're reading this, it's too late for you to. Okay. Mux tagħmel. Għandna nadattaw għal ħajja ġdida ta' pupa. Għal waħda fadax kulur kienet dik blu. They whispering, they're telling me secrets. They told me about him, they told me about you. Tajjeb, ma affarijiet sbieħ qalulek ħwej. Fejja naqsem fitxu għajt, kollhom kien fittixna. Locker room, aywa. I remember my hands, flesh and bone. Now they're different. They don't ache, they don't move the same. I wonder if you've noticed it yet. Hey, damn it. Hawnhekk. Stamur
You've got to be kidding me. Gone again?
u għawijat.
I didn't say you could leave. Stop slacking and get back to work.
Isma' kif jgħetem nisa neħilsu minn dal-baħnan. X'qed iddejjaqni. Mela bil-wise that was very nice. Blue eyes. No. Swaba tajbin.
Can you count to 5? This doll has more fingers than needed.
Alright. Il-bottuna fejja da issa. X'intu hija minn. Għajta li fejn il-bottuna. Għedda ximkien random ġol fabbrika. Ejja, da issa. Flok iħalluk taħdem għal-kwiet biex tlesti u titlaq li jiddar. Aħjar tgħidli fejn qiegħda dik iż-żikk ta' buttuna ħa biex ma ngħid xi ħaġa oħra. Oħra fejn kienet. Nerġa' ġitaw issa. X'tajba li? Armi.
That was very nice.
Up. Is it tight? It was very nice of blue eyes. Mela sibnija. Ejwa, on fire. Go away. Ejwa, sax kan siblu ħin nitlaq. Kemm aħna tajbin. Kemm aħna tajbin. X'tajba. Għawit, floksiq, flokit. Denim dress clothes. Okay. Maqta. Alhamdulillah. I'm mesmerized. All you had as a child. Looking at it, you feel warmth, remembering playing with it and having a great time. Do not question these memories. Biex nagħmel narmija? Għaddiet. Nkun naħdem ġo fabbrika jkolli pupa bħal dik, il-mument li tiġi fidejja, hekk. Jiġifieri hekk. Għasal ġo żibel ma jkun għadu tajjeb. Tajbin. Zabale. Armi. Nasux laħan laħqwata ta' d-danib, nasal daqta speċjal ġurnata.
Okay, you have done enough for today. Go home and rest. Tomorrow is going to be different. I will be waiting for you.
Mela għatti kun għamxie dal-moment sebekx tistenna. Go home. Yes, sir. Tlaqna.
Well, you managed not to be a disaster today. Let's see if you can keep it up.
Thank you, Silla, tal-Little Ghost. There's something different about today. I can feel the factory, even when I'm not there. It's like it knows I'm coming back, like it's been waiting for this. The dolls, those eyes, they linger in my mind, watching, always watching. I don't know why, but it feels like they're waiting for me too. I've thought about not going back, but deep down I know I have no choice. Something's waiting for me inside, and I can't avoid it any longer. Day. Hello, Mara. Hello, Mara, Dollmare. Supportajt daqsek, xkut minn wara bħal ġurnata kon nisparixxi. Okay. Okay, ftaħna l-biwa l-ħażina. Nibdew ix-shift illum. Previous error coming back here. Okay. Tokka x'nagħmlu tfawħaw. Okay. Zabiję ħali. Will you help me? Ma nixtieqx ngħinek, ma jkolli nagħmel naħseb. Il-logħba wedetni li mhux ħajkun hemm jumpscares, u xorta kien hemm waħda. tal-ħruq. Requires a valve, issa fejn ħansiba l-valve jien. Hawnni. Tfajna l-form. Alright. Għal-isfel. Għal-għajna. ċokki.
I'm really sorry. I had no other choice. He controls me through that doll in his room. I hope he won't.
Dejna. Xorna nagħmlu issa. Ġejna għal-katras tal-pupi. Badi. Mux għal-itlaq, għal-tajli go away. Nizli ħafna xita ta' spare parts ta' pupi.
Does money that he pays you worth it? Are you still alive? Open the window.
Okay. Sax namlu moti ieħor qisu. Għandhom l-armata. Lesti. Sounds cool. Okay. طيب علقنا.
Good, very good. Such a good employee. You did everything just as I envisioned. From the whole Sweet Cheeks company, thank you for your service.
Ukoll li business effiċjenti.
New guy, you're finally here. Welcome to the Sweet Cheeks factory. Our beautiful dolls are waiting just for you. Let's see if you can avoid the mistakes the previous guy has made.
Ma affarijiet tiegħi ukoll. Ending A. Mal għandna various endings din. Endings hija endings 1 out of 2. Ma nista' nerġa' nagħlabha biex nġib l-ending li ieħor ta' issa. Mbagħad nipprova nagħmilha u fil-każ intellefha jirnexxieli. Famma spiċċajni għadin. X'taħseb hux bitkom sabiħa kienet xejn partikolari differenti minn tas-soltu. Ma sabiħa kienet. Ma kienx fiha qtajja ħlif xi waħda l-għamlu dak xi ħlif waħda. Ta' xejn vibe, creepy vibe li kellha. Ma l-pinja sabiħa u xbitni. Kienet naħseb wertet jien fuq 3-4 euros kemm kienet. Meta il-live li jmiss, ma nafx, jew forsi għada. Kalla narakom il-ġimgħa d-dieħla mbagħad. Jekk għada ma nidħolx. Jekk għattilkom fil-bidu. Thank you kull min jgħid fil-live u thank you kbira wkoll min jara l-video fuq YouTube. Tkunu tridu titlu live. Titlu daqsxejn magħna. Jew TikTok jew Twitch fejn tridu. Nistidinkom tiġu. Ija, grazzi. Għal darba oħra.